friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa. We are doing things a little bit differently today. Instead of doing a full what I eat in a day video, I actually am going to just kind of bring you along for part of my morning. So I'm going to show you a little bit of my morning skincare routine. I have some new products that I have been trying that I'm really liking. And then I'm also just gonna set up my camera and make breakfast and then kind of like talk you through the whole thing. So I'm excited to be partnering with Follain for today's video, which is a clean beauty retailer that carry non-toxic products, a ton of my favorite brands. They actually have a storefront in Boston, but they also have a full online retail shop, so you can shop online for a ton of amazing products. And I personally, you guys know how much clean beauty matters to me. It is something that I have been working really hard at to transition. I've talked a lot about it on this channel already, but having access to a store like Follain where I can find a ton of different products is just so easy, and it makes the process so much simpler for me. I'm really excited to also be sharing that they have a clean essentials kit, which is the perfect gateway if you're just getting started with your clean beauty like transition. So if you're trying to get into non-toxic skincare and you don't really know where to start, this kit is the perfect thing for you. I'm going to show you everything that's inside. So I'm gonna insert a clip right here that shows everything that's inside of the kit. And of course there's a special offer for you guys because I always try to get the best deals I can possible for you. So the offer for this kit is for the first 150 people that click on the link in the description box. You can get this kit for 60% off as well as free delivery. So it's only gonna cost you $18 for all of these amazing products. It normally retails at $45, so it's a really, really great deal. And I personally have been using some of them to try out a few new brands in my skincare routine, like you'll see in a minute. And I am really, really liking them. So I'm excited to share it with you. Let's hop into the little kit overview. Then we'll go into my little morning routine, and then I'll meet you back here in my kitchen and we'll make my chocolate peanut butter smoothie. So I just got my delivery from Follain and I want to show you what is inside. I am so excited. It comes with this beautiful little gold foil packaging, and then let's open it up. So their whole thing again is that they are all about curating the best clean natural beauty products, and they sent me this little pack. So here is what's inside. You get one of these Ursa Major face wipes. Ursa Major is a brand that comes out of Vermont, actually. It's non-toxic, and this is a 4-in-1 face wipe, so I'm sure that it cleanses. It probably is great for, yeah, exfoliating, smoothing, and hydrating your skin all at once. So that's awesome. These are great to keep like in your workout bag. The other thing is from Indie Lee. I actually have never tried anything from Indie Lee before. So this is her CoQ10 toner. So this is a little toner. I've heard great things about this company, I just haven't personally tried it. And then also in this little travel thing is a face balm from Ursa Major. So this is something that you could totally take with you on the go. It's kind of gonna act like a moisturizer. And then the next two things are, this is from Osea, or Osea, I don't know how to pronounce that, but it is their Ocean Cleanser. I actually really love the Atmosphere moisturizer from this brand, so I'm excited to try the cleanser. And then this is just an everything-in-one soap from Follain itself, so it's 100% toxin-free. You can use it on your hands, your bodies, your counter, your dog, your delicates, your kids, everything. And this is awesome because I never bring soap with me, so having a little soap like this is a really awesome idea, and I like that it's liquid instead of a bar. So that's everything that's in this little travel bag. Highly, highly recommend. I love this company. I love that you can order all of these clean beauty products online, and this little travel bag is such a great offer. I did an at-home workout this morning, so I just hopped in the shower once I was done, and I actually like to wash my face when I'm not in the shower. I just find that I wash it better. I don't know why. So I'm using the Osea Ocean Cleanser, and again, I really, really, really like this. It makes my skin feel so smooth, and it also has some exfoliation to it. So I just rinse my face with warm water, put on the cleanser, just a few pumps will do, wash it off, and then pat my face dry with a towel. And then I follow up with my toner. I use the toner from Laurel Whole Plant Organics, which you can find on Follain, or you could use the toner that comes in the kit. And then I use the Ursa Major Face Balm. I really like this moisturizer. It's very light. I think it would be great for sensitive skin, also really great for the summer. And I just make sure to also go down my neck as well as moisturizing my face. And then I finish things off with a little bit of eye cream, and then I dot my blemishes or pimples with a little bit of tea tree oil. And then I also just wanted to show you that I'm using the Follain little kit that they sent, the little bag for all of my makeup now. It fits everything perfectly. And that pretty much sums up my super quick morning skincare routine. Hey guys! Welcome to my kitchen. As you can see, we are making a smoothie, and I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate peanut butter smoothie with some vegetables, of course. We're using greens, we're using some frozen zucchini, and we're also going to use some frozen cherries, which are going to give it a really nice kind of sweetness, but it's also on the lower sugar side. So we are going to start with our greens. We're just going to make everything in this blender, of course. I'm using spinach. You guys know I love using spinach as my base in my smoothies. We're going to do spinach because it's really great for getting in some fiber, really high in nutrients. It has a little bit of protein, and spinach I find also has the most mild flavor for all greens. So if you're not trying to like affect the flavor, you don't want it to taste like a salad, you can add in spinach, and I find that that's the easiest to kind of blend in and get the flavor right. So I'm gonna do about 2 full cups of spinach. That's usually about 2 handfuls. Just gonna like add it in there. I think that should be good. And then we're also gonna do our powders first. So I find that it's easiest to blend smoothies when you do your greens on the bottom, powders or any fresh ingredients, and then the frozen on top, because the frozen helps to push everything down and helps it blend more easily. So we're gonna do a scoop of vegan chocolate protein powder. I'm using the grain-free one from Garden of Life, which is what I always use. So we'll just use 1 scoop of that. And then we're also going to use some raw cacao powder. You can buy this online. I keep it in this jar. I just like refill it basically every time I need to. So I usually buy a 1-pound bag and fill it in here. And today I'm gonna do 1.5 scoops because I want it to really be like a dark chocolate color. So 1.5 scoops, probably 3 tablespoons of raw cacao. And then for our frozen, so I'm using some frozen zucchini. I'm just gonna use like this whole thing. Basically I just sliced them up and then I threw them in that bag, and we're just gonna add them right in there. And then like I mentioned, we're doing some frozen cherries. So I'm just gonna put some frozen cherries in there, about probably a 1/2 cup of frozen cherries. And then just to make it nice and peanut buttery, because chocolate and peanut butter is by far my favorite flavor combo in the entire world, we're going to do a generous scoop of creamy peanut butter. And I always use organic peanut butter. Make sure that the ingredients on your peanut butter are just 1 ingredient. You just want peanuts in there. And then the best part, God, I could eat peanut butter all day, every day. And then we're just gonna add on some liquid. So I'm gonna use some almond milk here. You could also use coconut water. You could really use whatever you want. I'm just gonna fill up with about 1 cup, maybe 1.5 cups of liquid. And then we'll just pop on our lid and we're gonna blend away. And I'm probably gonna cut out the audio here because it's gonna be pretty loud. So I'm just gonna blend this up until it's nice and smooth and creamy, and then I'll come back on and show you the finished texture. And that's pretty much it. What I like to do with my smoothies is actually pour them into a mason jar, because you can see this is a lot of smoothie. And then I'm probably gonna top it with a little bit of homemade granola. And here is our beautiful chocolate peanut butter smoothie. I am going to top it with a little bit of granola, like I said. This is my cinnamon apple granola that is coming to the channel next week, so stay tuned for that. I'm just gonna do a little sprinkle on top because I love having a little bit of crunch with my smoothies, and it adds a really nice flavor. And then I'll take this over to my desk and eat it up. Really quick breakfast, really, really delicious, tastes It's like a milkshake. It's so good. And I will leave the full recipe for you guys down in the description box below if you want to make it for yourself, but highly recommend it. Definitely can't go wrong when you start your day with chocolate. Got my smoothie. Now we will head on over to my desk. And the thing that I wanted to chat with you guys quickly about is the connection between the food that we eat and the products that we use on our skin. So this is things that I have talked about before. I know I don't want to like repeat myself too much, but I still feel like it's really valuable for you guys to know because it's really important. So I'm gonna set you down. I gotta find something to prop you up on. So obviously I am always talking about the food that we need to eat and how important it is to nourish your body from the inside out, but that also plays into my views on natural beauty, because I believe that if you are fueling your body with good food, you should be fueling your skin with good products. Your skin is your largest organ and it's full of pores, and if you put a toxic product on your skin, those toxins are absorbed into your bloodstream and they're inside of your body. So that's why I am so excited to partner with Follain, because they are making clean beauty products available to everyone. They have an amazing online store. You can browse by brand, you can browse by what sort of product you're looking for, and it's just helping everyone have access to clean beauty. Now, I will say, I know that clean beauty products are oftentimes a lot more expensive than what you can find at the grocery store or at the drugstore, and I totally understand. I understand that a lot of people are on budgets, but the way that I like to look at it and the way that I think about it is that I am investing in my health. So just like I invest in the food that I'm buying, so organic food, and I invest in high quality food, I'm also going to be investing in high quality products that I use on my body. I think it can be a slow transition. I think that as you have a empty bottle, maybe that's when you consider switching to a non-toxic variety. That is also why that kit is so awesome, because it's a really great starter kit, and you get a face wash, you get soap, you get the face wipes, you also get that Ursa Major face balm, which is a really light moisturizer, and it's just like a really great way to get started. So don't forget to click that link in the description box below. The first 150 people get that kit at 60% off, means it's only $18. You also get free delivery, and I think it's a really great way to get started. So I'm going to go enjoy my breakfast. Oh my god, this smoothie is so good, you guys. You have to try it. Don't forget that it's down in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions for me about non-toxic beauty, any of the products that I use, I will link some of my favorites down in the description box below for you as well. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. There's a red button right below this video. It says subscribe. You can tap that button. That will subscribe you. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave some playlists down for you in the description box below as well if you're interested in watching some more beauty videos, or also maybe some breakfast videos. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! And now we feast. Does anybody else find that when you drink a smoothie with a straw, you drink it in literally 15 seconds? Look how much I've already drank. That's why I like smoothie bowls, because I eat them more slowly, but this is so good.